Here is a comparison between n8n, Make, and Zapier. n8n is a flexible AI workflow automation for technical teams. This is accessible on Chrome, Google, or Safari, or even on your computer device. There are YouTube tutorials that you can watch if you don't know how to use it. While Make on the other side is a real-time visual orchestration for agent and automation. This is actually good because you can use this for free without any payments, which means you don't need any premium accounts when you use this. And then Zapier is a million who automate different integrate application. This is actually for more on innovation and is accessible as well on mobile phones and to other devices. Now here's a table for more quick comparison. For the picture of ease of use, Zapier has the highest design for non-technical users with a simple and linear workflow builder. For the make, it is medium or more advanced, and n8n is lowest, means requires technical knowledge. For the pricing model, Zapier is based on task, Make is based on operation, and n8n is based on the workflow executions. And for the best for, Zapier is best for simple, quick automations, Make is best for complex business processes, and n8n is best for developers and power users.